The last video in this reporting section of my QuickBooks Online guide is the Aged Payables and Aged Receivables report. Now, we often get asked, how do I know who owes me money and who I owe money? So these are the two main reports that a lot of businesses tend to look at on a regular basis. So as an alternative, I'm going to search the report in the search bar. So the first one we're going to look at is the Aged Receivables. And all you simply need to type in is A/R. And you've got an option for a detail or a summary. I always go for the detail, but both supply similar information. Now, an aged receivable report will show you how much money you're due to receive. So that's what customers owe you money, what open invoices you have in the system, and how long they're overdue by. So it will always preset to today's date. And here you can see it's been split into a certain amount of days. So the first one is 91 days or more. So these might be the customers that you want to prioritise in chasing the money for. And then as you scroll down, the days become less and less until you get to current. From this report, you can actually click into an invoice as well. So if we click onto this one that's 91 days or more, and you can see that we did send the email, so they've definitely got the invoice. We can see down here it was also sent. However, it hasn't said that they've opened it. So we might want to give that customer a call or an email to chase that certain invoice and payment. QuickBooks actually gives you the option to send a reminder out to this customer as well. So if we go into their customer profile, and it's customers, and it was Zulu Ltd. It was the earliest invoice, and as you can see, it's showing overdue there on the status. On the drop down of the action column, you can see here you can send reminder. And that will just give your customer a prompt to let them know you haven't received payment for the invoice yet and to get in touch if they've got any questions. You can simply click send and that will get pinged through to their email. So the other report that's really important to have a look at is the Aged Payables. So that's A/P. So this is all the suppliers you owe money to. So this might be open bills, for example. It will also show supplier credit in here too that hasn't been applied to anything. So here you can see again it's split into the days, and you can also see which bills are outstanding. Again, if you want to see what the bill relates to, you can simply click on it and it will bring up the actual bill that is overdue and actually the due date. And an attachment, if you do have an attachment as well, you might have some documents of what the bill was including. I would definitely recommend in the reports section that you favourite these two reports. So you can see here we've got accounts receivable as our favourites, and we also want Aged Payables. So I'm just going to scroll down to find that. So you can see here, you can just click the star. And that should now appear up here in our favourites for easy access going forward.